Nasa siya.
Hello, Lynn. Good evening, Lynn. Is teacher's voice clear? Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Good. All right. So, Lynn, last time, what we had was we did unit 15, 1, 2, 3 animals. And we also did some parts of the unit 16. Okay. So today, Lynn, we are going to continue unit 16 because we are not yet done with that lesson. Okay. Are you ready, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay. So here is it. Unit 16 is all about what's favorite fruit. Okay. So we had this one
bean, pea,
already.
carrot,
Let me
Grape,
lemon,
lime, onion,
pineapple,
tomato,
pear,
potato,
kiwi,
watermelon.
Okay, this one was done already. You were able to answer this last time, so we will continue. So here you go, Lynn. I have here this second activity of Unit 16. It's all about what is it? Okay, for example, number 1, it's a fruit and it's a long and yellow and monkeys like eat it or liked it. The answer there is banana. Okay. So Lynn, I want you to answer 2 to 8 and try to understand the given sentences, Lynn, and write the name of the vegetable or fruit. Okay, yeah. I think it's all fruit. Okay. So Lynn, take your time and please answer.
Teacher.
Yes, Lynn, are you done? Finish?
Letter three, I don't know.
Okay. If you don't know number 3, Lynn, please. Oh, what happened to your number 5?
Mm,
Okay, write your answer number 5 first. Finish?
No.
Okay, no. Tell me when you're done.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, so Lynn, please read numbers 2 to 8 together with your answer. Go. Number 2, it's
This very small and green, but it's not that big. It's
a
hard track.
next.
It's very small and green, but it's not a big.
What's your answer? It's a
It's, it's
you go. You have about number 4. You read number 4. It's yellow.
it's yellow. You can make a dish drink from it. It's a banana.
Next.
It's a fruit and a color. You can make Choose, choose from it. Is a watermelon.
Next. It's
Fresh and brown. Some temple, but it's unless it's a tomato.
next.
It's long and orange and most fitting is a carrot.
Next.
It's green and black. Most is not a crab.
What's the answer?
It's a leaf.
Okay. Lynn, are you now ready to check? Okay. Eileen, sorry. Please change your answer number 4 because banana is already an answer in number 1. Okay. Can you change answer number 4? The answer is just found from the given picture. Oh wait, it's not there, sorry. Now, how about number 4, Lynn? It's yellow and you can make a drink from it. What do you think is that?
It's
You can make a very refreshing drink from it. People use this to make a drink, or sometimes we put it in a food.
a mango.
Is it okay? You write your answer. What do you think is the answer?
It's a fitness.
Okay, let's check now your answer, Lynn. So here, number 2, it's very small and green, but it's not a bean. The answer is grape. Correct. You can say pea or grape. Correct. Correct number 2, Lynn. Number 3, it's brown and white, and there's a lot of milk in it. So sometimes we use this, Lynn, as a juice, and sometimes we put this also in our food. So this one, Lynn, is what we call coconut. Okay, the answer number 3 is a coconut. A coconut is brown and inside it's white. Okay, and we can get lots of coconut milk from it. It's coconut. Next, number 4, it's yellow and you can make a great drink from it. And which one is that? Or what do you think is the answer? It's a lemon. Lynn, lemon is the answer number 4. It's yellow and you can make a very good lemonade. Next, number 5, it's a fruit and a color. So this one is a fruit and also a name of a color. What do you think is that, Lynn? A fruit and also a name of the color. What do you think? It's that? Is it watermelon? Is watermelon a name of a color? It's a fruit and also a name of a color. What do you think? What do you think is that? It is
Fish.
okay, you're right. Your answer. Okay, your answer is an orange. Orange is correct. Very good, Lynn, because you were able to change it into orange, which is correct. Number 6, it's red and it's round, and some people put it on pizza. The answer is tomato. Very good. Number 7, Lynn, it's long and orange, and horses love eating it. What kind of fruit? No, it's not a fruit, but it's a root crop. Very good. A vegetable, carrot. Correct. Lastly, Lynn, number 8, it's green and black, but it's not a grape. The answer is kiwi. Oh, the kiwi is green and black. Okay. So careful, Lynn, because you got mistake in answering this. Always and try to understand what the audio is all about. Okay. Lynn, let's try. Lynn, you enter again to the Zoom class, Lynn. And we will do this. Enter again.